Hi, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Caitlin, and today we are making this Tro's handprint craft. This craft is intended for ages 5 and up. You will need the following for this craft. So, first thing you will need is a pink paper, and you are going to draw your hand just like this. Okay. Next, you will grab your scissors and you will cut it out. And it will look just like this. And the way you're gonna want this is you're gonna want your thumb on the right side and your pinky on the left, facing you. Okay, so next, you are going to grab your pink paint and your paintbrush, and you are going to paint your hand pink right on these 3 fingers. And you're gonna draw a line across there, and you're gonna draw a line across there. Next, you are going to grab still the paintbrush and the green paint, and you are going to draw a green line across, just like this. Next, you will grab the blue paint, and you are going to draw little flowers like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I'm not very artistic. We are going to grab the black thin marker and do the face. Okay. Just like that. Get some eyebrows, some eyelashes. Okay. Get the mouth. Now we have to add the popsicle stick. So that's where your glue stick comes in hand. And you're going to glue it together. Be sure to make sure you put pressure, just like that. And ta-da! You got your Tro's handprint. So thank you for joining us for Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share your photos of your completed craft online and tag us using #ILoveHPL.